Hey guys, just want to give you a quick update on the workshop. Don't have any pictures of before. I might have some stills I can add in at some point. But we had an old rusty, very rusty natural gas line, black pipe, running around this corner of the shop. This is the corner of the shop that we're going to be putting the milling machine right in this corner here. The ceiling was falling in, just a sheetrock. Roof was leaking, so we put a new roof on the building, fixed the sheetrock, temporarily kind of moved the lights around a little bit. We had some air pipe running this way back in the day when I had the old milling machine and the lathe in this corner. Here you can kind of see a piece. Actually wasn't so bad. But whoever did this job did a really terrible job. All these clamps were kind of falling out of the walls. Wasn't happy with it at all. So I started to rip all this stuff out. Working my way back from the corner. What I did was I put a new gas line in. Plumbed it all up. Actually took the short right around the shop. Please don't think I put that hole in the block, because I didn't. But you can actually, if we go a little further down, you can see the old gas pipe. Went all the way around the workshop, came all the way back. So we didn't need any of that. Now we're actually plumbing in some 3/4 inch copper airline. That was also done in black pipe. It was all crooked. It was all just rigged together with whatever they had at the time. I mean, I kind of understand that. Back in those days, they didn't really mess around too much and make everything nice and pretty. But this is how far I got with the airline. Obviously, this area here is where my toolbox goes. It's pushed away from the wall right now, so I can get up there with a ladder. I came around. I put this sub panel in. Oh, probably 15 years ago. At the time I had a guy help me. I just ripped it off the wall again, put a new backing plate up, painted this whole area here. Now I'm actually running this copper line. This is coming out of the compressor room. The compressor room I replumbed years ago. And I kind of just tapped it into the black pipe. Now I've run a copper pipe. And I am soldering the pieces up now as we speak. Just kind of made some brackets to hold it against the wall. And I'll be adding more brackets obviously when it's done. And I'm using these clamps, hangers. I kind of like these threaded hangers. They're pretty neat. I use them for the gas line and the air line. And then eventually, we're going to go back up, try to make an elevator go up and around the shop and put some drops where I think I need them. The phase converter is going to come down here. It's gonna fit right in this spot here. And I'm going to run another EMT line around, going to the machines. I'm going to put the idler motor down there. It's a rotary phase converter. American rotary. It's a 7.5 horsepower. I do have a 10 horsepower in the other room of the shop. I have a section for woodworking tools too, so slowly but surely I'll be doing that. And then these small cabinets here, as you can see, I just kind of painted around them. They're coming down. They take up too much wall space. They're going to actually come up here and go above this door. That's my next little project. And that way I could kind of either make some shelves or kind of figure out something neat, because the Bridgeport's going to be in this corner. And of course I'm going to want to have some, slightly easier access to the tooling. Once I get the Bridgeport in, it's going to kind of go catacorner. And then as I work my way down the wall and repaint and clean and move shelves around and such, I'm going to go ahead and put my lathes down this wall. And I'll also run that, well, just about all my tools are 3-phase now here. I'm kind of liking the rotary phase converters. I don't think I'm really going to go VHD. I might do a CNC conversion on one of the lathes I picked up. At that point, I possibly will do something else. But there you go. That's the quick rundown of the back of the workshop. Gonna go ahead and get back to work and start soldering this up. I have my oxy acetylene tanks, my small torch. We're gonna get that going, and we're gonna keep moving now so we can try to get some work done on Saturday. It's an early afternoon job, so hopefully I can make some progress today. All right, you guys have a good day, have a good weekend, have a good Thanksgiving if I don't speak with you soon, and like and subscribe to my channel, and that way you'll be getting my updates. All right, thank you. Bye.